2-2 pitch to George. Strike 3-0 by George. He struck out. He nearly snapped his bat Bo Jackson style. Like beans with ketchup. Strike pitch again. The runner blows pitch grounded. The strike 3 swing and throw to second base. It is off the bullseye. Catcher for what was ultimately the third strike. Felix Aberrett in the box. Jockin on second, 1 out. Comes 1-0. Scramble. Third baseline. It's a fair ball. Jockin should be coming in quite easily. There comes the batter turning in for second. There's no throw. A 1-out RBI double for Felix. Plates Tyler Jockin. Here comes pitch. Jordan Williams swinging a line in the right field. He got under too much. Right fielder's going to make the catch, and he's going to have a chance to throw it to the plate. He has some play. It's going to be cut off, and the Seagulls somehow get a run, courtesy of how the motion by Weishman. Target outside. Here it is. Strike 3 called. 3 out, 3 pitches, 3 strikes, 2 down. 2 quick outs for South Bay here in the second inning. 1-2. Whip to left, under too much. He goes under. He's going to make the catch. He lost it in the sun for a split second, but stayed with it. After 1.5, it is Seagulls ahead, 2-zip. And here comes Jockin. The pitch is high, and the throw to second is not necessary. It's a base on ball. Yeah, why did the catcher even ponder throwing? Oh, get down! Safe! Don't push him off the base. Dude, your name is not Kent Herbeck. What do you think this is, a waltz? Pitch. 2-1 pitch. There goes one on a pitch. Straight to his swing and throw to second base. It is going to be. Squirts away. Give me some cheesecake. As the lead runner comes across, being Samuel. An errant throw fails to get Jockin, and coming to ball homecoming game dressed as a trailer park person. 2-2. Straight 3 calling him up. Oh boy, 2 outs. 3-2. Slow bowler past the mound to short. Shortstop gloves it. He throws. He got him. And that leaves a runner out there. So after 2.5, it is 3-0 Seagulls. It's motion and the pitch. Reach for and grounded routinely to short. A nice easy flip to first for the out, I reckon. Bullseye. 1 pitch, 1 away. So, and now batting is going to be Jordan Williams. 2-1, swinging a slow roller hit to the right. Oh, this is a fair ball. Bounced on, but the pitcher is taken unassisted for a relatively easy out. Stopping on third is Williams. 2 down. The 1-strike pitch. Swinging a line in the left field. They got under too much. Left fielder comes in. He's going to make the catch. Oh, give me some cheesecake. And that spares a run. Number 1 Oakland A's fan in the world. Pitch skied to left in the park. Left fielder playing shallow. He's under it. 2 outs. Nice play out to left. 2 away. And I'm like, 1-strike pitch to Dirk Ryan. It is skied to left down the line. Left fielder in pursuit is going to be into the left field corner. Dirk's going to have to hurry. He's going to throw. It is not in time. A leadoff double for Dirk Ryan. Comes to 1-1. There goes Samuel. The pitch is low and away. Throw to third. Oh, dude, why did they ponder throwing to third? Ryan was not even bluffing. We're in the 4th inning. Seagulls on top 3-0. Seagulls with a threat. Second and third, nobody down here in the 4th inning. Garcia is ready. 2-2 offering. Strike 3 called, and Tyler Jockin goes down looking at backwards K. Comes the 0-2 from Nick Garcia. It is swinging to the sky to center field. Is this going to be deep enough? He reaches right and makes the catch. Runner's going to tag up. Here's the throw. He's going to be short, so sacrifice fly as Ryan scores and Samuel stops on third. 4-0 San Francisco. 1-0 to Felix. The ball skips away. Here comes Lordy. He's going to break across to score, and the Seagulls lead 5-0. A wild pitch. Weishman deals to Carrasco. Chopped back to the mound. 1 hop. Easy out. Underhand first. He was effortless. 2 quick outs for the Storm here in the 5th. Weishman into his motion. That 2-2 pitch. It is swing and a miss, and that will do it for the Storm in the 5th. He deals. There goes Sterling. Pitches inside. Throw to second is Glassy, and it's too late. Latest pitch was a ball. Of course, in game one earlier, the Seagulls weathered the storm 10-4. The one strike pitch, grounded routinely to short. It's going to be a scoop at the shortstop. He throws across, 2 down. 2 routine ground outs produced just as many outs as they say in Vintage Bay City. Full count pitch, strike 3 called, bingo! A half a dozen. Comes the 2 strike pitch, runner goes, and it's outside, ball skips away. It's going to be an uncontested stolen base. Oh, Samio. Yeah, stay there, Samio. Play it again, Samio. 1 strike pitch, runner breaks for the pitch, the ball, no throw, as it's an uncontested stolen base credited to Samio. Stretched by the lefty, and Ralph deals the 2-2. It's swinging sky to center field, he hammers it. This is going to be well over his head and deep back there. Oh man, give me some cheesecake. There goes Murray, striking into third. The throw's going to come back in the relay. Not in time! An RBI triple! Here's Roth ready. Comes the 0-1 pitch to Felix. So swinging a sky to center field. Is this deep enough? I'm not positive. It's shallow. I don't think he's going to chance it. Nope. Oh, dude, he's going to chance it! And boy, he got away with it! And Roth deals 1-2. It's swinging a ground ball past the mound to short. Shortstop lets squirts. Side stops it. Throws. He is out. That was a diving play at short. That would be a play where I would be tempted to say, give me some cheesecake garnished with shocking pink frosting. After this frame, the pitch. Ground ball routinely to third. Nice play at third base. He throws across the diamond in plenty of time. 1 away. So I will find out by the end of this frame right here whether this game is 9 innings or 7 innings. So if the game goes on, the game is teammates. Here it is. Chopped high to third on the first pitch. He has to charge. Throws across the diamond in time. And that retires the side for the Storm. The 1-0 to string. There goes Short in the pitch is a strike called, and it's going to be an uncontested stolen base. I would more than likely be terrified. Here comes the 2-1. Swung on his hammer to left! My goodness! That's over his head! Boy, Taylor Sterling just smoked that one far! Third of the plate, not nearly in time! 3-2, swing and miss, 2 down for the Seagulls here in the 7th.
Now batting, number 13,
Samuel Uzi up with Sterling still. Comes the 1-0. There goes Samuel. The pitch is high. Throw to third. I guess evidently the catcher Goldfarb figures that the pitch. Swinging a ground ball down to third. It's going to be scoop. Juggle. The ball has to hurry. It's sort of first. He still gets him. The 3-men are left for San Francisco, but the goals tally once more. 3-2 payoff. Swing and miss. He chased a high one and shot a blank. 1 away.
Got strikeout, brings it.
Comes the payoff outside. No, strike 3! Whoa! I didn't think that payoff would look like that latest offering was 6 inches outside, but 2-2 offering from Weichman. It is strike 3 called as Weichman strikes out the side in order. After 7.5, Seagulls on top. 8 to zip. Here, you can do it, Neil. You got this one. 0-2. Swing a line over short base hit. Well, this time Mighty Casey did not strike out. Station to station RBI singles. Felix comes across. The head 9-0. 24. This dude happens to be swinging a ground ball back to the box. Oh, dude! What on earth was he thinking to get the out at second? But even saw run across and blushing. Anyway, down to the way to go, brother. Well, the Seagulls do get that much coveted perfect 10 on their side of the scoreboard. I guess this game is not going to have the mercy rule. Well, the 1-1 pitch. Swing on a ground ball right. Oh, it's off his glove and throw! And the lead runner scores to being guessed as a struggle by the right fielder, and scampering into third after that juggle is Espino. Now the Seagulls have registered a magnificent 11 on their side of the scoreboard.